Welcome to Day 9 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Today, we're exploring cloud watching meditation, a practice that invites us to pause, look up, and find serenity in the ever-changing sky. Cloud watching is a simple yet profound way to connect with nature and cultivate mindfulness. By focusing on the movement of clouds, we can calm our minds and embrace the present moment. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Cloud watching meditation. All you need is a comfortable spot with a view of the sky. Ready? Let's begin. Choose a place where you can lie down or sit comfortably, whether it's on the grass, a park bench, or even by a window. Take a moment to settle in and relax your body. Close your eyes briefly and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. Open your eyes and gaze at the clouds. Notice their shapes, sizes, and how they move. Are they drifting slowly or racing across the sky? Let your attention rest on their gentle motion. As thoughts arise, imagine them as clouds drifting across your mind. Acknowledge each thought without judgment and let it pass, just like a cloud moves across the sky. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the sky and its ever-changing nature. Reflect on how this practice makes you feel, calm, grounded, or connected. Carry this sense of serenity with you as you go about your day. So, why does cloud watching meditation matter? It's a gentle reminder of life's impermanence and beauty. This practice encourages us to slow down, embrace the present moment, and let go of unnecessary stress. By simply looking up, we can find a moment of peace in our busy lives. Now, let's reflect. How did cloud watching meditation make you feel? Did it bring you a sense of calm or a new perspective? For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's mindfulness practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on Day 9 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Let's carry this sense of wonder and peace into our day. See you tomorrow for Day 10. Stay serene and let the clouds inspire you.